Eyes, open your eyes. How does it feel when you do the visualization with the music, but in a different way, not in a meditative way, sitting in one place and do the meditations and the visualization, but it's a different way. So it's called a music therapy, a small portion of it, which I have mentioned in my book as well. So quickly, one word, how does it feel when you do it with the music? It becomes so easy and effortless. And with the body movements, the things are much, much higher. The energy is way high, right? Okay, Pratibha, I see you have raised your hand. Do you
Right.
have any question or anything that you want to share? Do you have a question or anything to share, Pratibha? I see your hand going up. Okay, I think she has got frozen. All right, how does it feel, guys? Give me one quick word and with high energy and no low energy in my session allowed. Right? So that's called music therapy. Yeah, Pratibha, you are back. Do you have anything to say? I see your hand being raised.
Yeah, I just wanted to thank all of you from the core of my heart for the yesterday's healing. It was so awesome. I slept well without pain. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much. And I'm feeling good today.
Woo! That's an
Thank
achievement.
you.
Wow, very good. So tell us, how was the experience? Did you do that exercise with the audible again?
Yes, at night also, as soon as you sent, I before reacting on it, I did it, and then in between I was sleeping, but I did, and in the morning also I did it. So I'm feeling good. I'm going to office as well. We'll go for the checkup in the evening.
Oh, you're not taking an off today?
No, no, no. I'm
So you're
going
totally
to.
fit and fine.
Yeah, I'm feeling so good.
Okay, and no pain at all when you move. I saw you doing even dance also.
Yeah, 1 or 2%, just sensation, no pain, but
Hmm.
1 or 2% sensation, and now I'll be fine. I know.
Yes, you are already fine. So
Yeah.
everybody, let's give all of us a high five and say congratulations everyone for healing Pratibha. Let's give a high five everybody,
Thank you,
guys,
and
and say
thank you.
yeah, congratulations
Yes,
everyone for healing Pratibha.
congratulations for
We
healing
are
Pradeep.
already healers now. Thank you,
Yes,
Mo.
yes, yes, of course. Otherwise, this would not have been possible. Each of you have done this, right? Not just me.
Yeah, thank you, everyone.
Wow,
Thank
what a start of the day.
Yeah.
I totally feel the energy. So, time for the blanket blessings. So, let's come together. Let's share our blessings. So, take your hands. Look into the beautiful eyes, the smile, the face, everybody, and feel the white light from your palms going out and touching each of you, giving the divine healing to all of you, and say, congratulations, everyone. All your health, career, and money goals are already achieved. Thank you for sharing and receiving blessings. Tathastu. Okay, so with that, we are done with today's exercise. Let's quickly unmute and say, love you, everyone. We will see you in the evening. Yay! Time for celebration. We have become such powerful healers, right? So feel the power that, yes, if you
Yes,
can heal
yes.
her, you can heal yourself also. So feel the power inside you. And let's get started. Feel the magic and spread the magic. Bye bye, everybody. See you in the evening. Love you, everybody.
you,
Keep
everybody.
rocking.
Love you, love you.
My health is good, and just to share a good news, I went for the sonography at 7 o'clock, and I was having pain at right side earlier, and there was no stone on right side.
Wow, that's a big one. Woo!
But
Very good.
yeah, it was
Wow, it's
left
amazing.
side.
Yeah, I know.
Seriously, we are so happy for you, Pratibha.
Thank you so
Woo!
much.
That's
I was
cause for
also,
a party.
yeah, definitely for sure.
Somehow, when she was doing, I had a sense that you also had no stone in the sonography. She also won't get it. I had in my
Because I
mind
had shared my secrets
intention.
with her, how I disappeared that stone.
Seriously.
And it was like that today when I went, I was not at all worried that I'll be going through some kind of test or something. I was so positive, and my flatmate, she was there with me, she was more worried. I said, no, I'm not going to hear something bad. It is just to see that it is no more there, and that's what happened. But yeah, it is on left side right now. But then I thought that we healed right side only. Left side was to be healed, so I will do it now.
So left side you have the stone still, is it?
Yeah, left side is a medium sized stone. So he said that with the water it will go off. I said no, I know how to remove it.
अभी आप डॉक्टर को बोल सकते हो, आपको भेजना है कुछ स्टूडेंट, सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स बोल रही हो, मतलब पेशेंट्स भेज दो मेरे पास. But we are so proud of you because
Thank
know.
you, all of you also. For to you too also.
no, that's okay. But you have also done everything as the way I have explained to you. So day before yesterday, you remember how you got panic and now how you are?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so that's the power of
I
healing.
No, I was just saying that I was telling my mom that see how powerful the healing is. That morning it gave me an instant relief, and now the stone is no more there.